When comparing Sage Business Cloud and OneUp for their compliance features, the big question is, which one really offers the better solution? If you're a business looking to streamline your accounting while staying on top of compliance requirements, this video will give you the full rundown. Both of these platforms claim to have solid compliance support, but which one truly delivers for your business? Stick around until the end to find out which one I personally recommend, and there's a surprising twist that could change your approach to compliance management. First off, Sage Business Cloud Accounting is a robust software designed for small to medium-sized businesses. It offers a wide array of features with a focus on financial management, and while it provides compliance tools, it's a bit more general when it comes to specific regulatory needs. For example, Sage supports VAT management in the UK and can generate tax reports, making it a good fit for businesses in countries with similar tax structures. However, it doesn't go as deep with industry-specific compliance standards or help you keep up with changes in tax law as seamlessly as some other software. Next thing, OneUp is a lesser-known software, but it offers some impressive compliance features. It does have tools for automating tax calculations and managing business expenses, but where it shines is in its reporting capabilities. OneUp can generate financial statements and reports that comply with global accounting standards, which is an excellent feature if you operate in multiple countries or need to stay compliant with international regulations. However, it lacks the depth of compliance automation seen in more established players, which means you may have to manually check for updates on changing regulations. The fourth thing to consider is that both Sage and OneUp do provide integration with other software. Sage integrates well with payroll systems and various financial tools, which is helpful for staying compliant with payroll taxes and benefits. OneUp, on the other hand, integrates with payment platforms like Stripe and PayPal, allowing for a smoother operation of your transactions while keeping them in line with compliance rules. However, while OneUp's integration is helpful, it's still not as broad as Sage's network. Another thing, Sage's strength lies in its scalability. This makes it a solid choice for businesses looking to grow without worrying about compliance management falling behind. With Sage, you can easily manage compliance across multiple regions or departments. However, the more you scale, the more you'll need to customize your compliance processes, which can get a bit tricky if you don't have dedicated resources to manage these changes. OneUp's simplicity might appeal to smaller businesses that don't need to go into that level of detail, but as your business grows, OneUp's lack of scalability can quickly become a problem. Finally, while both platforms provide basic compliance support, neither truly excels in offering comprehensive compliance management out of the box. This means you may need to use third-party tools or consult with professionals to stay on top of everything, which could add additional costs and complexity. To wrap things up, Sage Business Cloud and OneUp are both solid software options with their own strengths and weaknesses when it comes to compliance features. But after trying both myself, if your main priority is staying compliant with minimal hassle and with the ability to scale as your business grows, I have to recommend trying something else. Check out the link in the description for a free trial of a platform that has better compliance features and more comprehensive support, all with exclusive benefits that are only available through our link.